Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will talk about how to create your own dimension style. For that I will go into the dimension style manager. I will type here command D. I will hit enter. This is the box dimension style manager, or you can go here in annotation panel and from here you will select this one. This dialog box will come appear in front of you. From here you can see that there are two types of dimension style. One is annotative and one is standard. And if you want to create your own one, you can create that one. All you need to do is you will go here in new. Okay, you will select this one. From here you can give the name that you want. Okay, for example, I want to give the name as style 1. Okay, now you can just choose any of the style where you copy from. Okay, annotative or standard. I will copy from standard. Okay, then I will press continue. Then I can just modify from here any of the thing I need. For example, I will start from text. Okay, and I want to change the text style, so I will just press here. Okay, I will click here. Now from here you can choose any of the text style. For example, I want to choose this text style, comic sense ms. Okay, and from font style you can choose any of the bold, italic, so I will choose this one. Now this is okay. From here I will apply this one. Again I will just close this one, and you can choose any of the thing. Text color, I will choose it by layer. Okay, for example. So again fill color, there is no need to fill color. Okay, text height, so I can give any of the height. For example, I want to give as 3 unit of text height. I will press tab key. Now again I will go into the symbol and arrows, and I can choose any of the arrows here. Okay, so for example, I want to just choose these dots. Okay, and then I will choose the arrow size, for example 3. Okay, then I will go into the lines, and here color should be as by layer. For example, I am just making setting here. Okay, line type, okay, by layer, and then line weight by layer. Okay, so these are some setting, and this fixed length extension lines, I have just discussed about this in previous lessons. So when I will make these settings, I can just use primary unit as well. Okay, so for example, I want to just set here the unit format as decimal, as I am just working in metric template. And then precision, I have just already told you what is this precision. Okay, so all of this setting, after all of this setting you will press OK, and this is the method how you can modify your own one. Okay, so this is the style that I have created. I will select this one. I will just set current this one, and then I will close this one. Now I want to just draw here a rectangle, and let's see what is the dimension style. Now for that I will go here in layer panel. I will create a dimension style layer. Okay, so dimension layer, I will go here. I will create dimension, for example dimension layer, and I can choose any of the color from here. Okay, and I will just give this color, for example, and no need to make it as a default, so I will just close this one. Again I will go here and I will choose when I want to make a dimension. Okay, I will choose dimension, and I want this dimension. I will just write here a command DAL, or type here a command DAL. I will hit enter. I will start from here and from here. Now you can see here dimension styles are different right now. Okay, so this is how you can make the changes in dimension, as if you want to make your own style. So I hope you understand this session. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.